Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix the error your version has reached end of service in Windows 10 and Windows 11. We will guide you through several methods step by step so your system returns to a supported version and starts receiving security updates again. If you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech guides. Before anything else, you need to check which version of Windows you are using. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type WinVer, then press Enter. A small window will appear showing your current Windows version. If you are using Windows 11 version 21H2, 22H2, or 23H2, or the 23H2, these versions are no longer supported, which is why you see this message. The first and easiest fix is to update through Windows Update. Click the Start button, open Settings, and go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates and wait while Windows searches for available upgrades. If a newer update appears, download and install it. Once the upgrade is complete and your computer restarts, go back to Windows Update. The message should be gone. If Windows Update does not show the upgrade, go to Settings, then Windows Update, then Advanced Options, and click Optional Updates. Check if a newer version is listed, such as Windows 11 version 24H2 or 25H2. If it appears, select it and click Download and Install. If that still does not work, the most reliable method is to use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant from the official Microsoft website. Open your browser and go to Microsoft.com, then search for Download Windows 11. Download the Installation Assistant and run it. It will check your system, download the latest version, and upgrade your computer while keeping your files and apps safe. If the Installation Assistant does not work, your last option is to use the Media Creation tool. Use it to create a bootable USB drive with the latest version of Windows 11. Plug the USB into your computer, open it, and run the file called setup.exe. Click Next, accept the license terms, and choose to keep your personal files and apps. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. Once it is done, your Windows will be fully updated and the error will no longer appear. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.